चाखोदबदी समाज द कंट्री जे दे रुबे को दिमा नुआई को दिन ai khadagi khanba self centric oiba selfish oiba nature is time to leave all this thought process, all this thinking. This is the message what the patriotism says about aduna ngasi aigi nusiraba akoigi ichai now sing marone young people akoigi generation matamda noina siruloi aduna make your own future to be comfortable. Everybody other than unumaki java phangba unumaki seto phangba unumaki nungaiba leiba adugumba you have to make your own future of comfort life. Aduni this is important. And ngasi ki pidam randa saruk yaribasi Indiana 75 years mapung pharat pasida haro nungayo phungdo ko na azadi ki amrit ning kha tambagi ko na mahai ning kha tambagi benefit mahi jari se sigi no haro nungayo phungdo ko sigi result the fruits we are having today in our personal life is because of independence of 75 years. And this is very logical and logical concept. Devakshina 75 years complete our independence. Then every district, 750 district in the country, 750 districts we select every district is every 75 village 75 is a minimum in both the Fit India movement support on message support on sensitized over. Aduna main objective. Aduna this program will continue from 13 August till 2nd October. During this period, we will try our best to reach at least 75 villages the message of stay fit and message of loving our country, message of loving our village, message of loving our nations. This is the main activities to be happen during the span of till 2nd October. Aduna, Marup Singh, our district administration is fully with us, fully support with us. Whatever you need for the interest of the social development, for the interest of the development of the whole district, you are very much welcome. Aduna matungda akadabada Nehru Yuva Kendra kapusan naraga thabak thauram chawkha thoram kaya paitasi adu loina ai ngasi gi program asida ekoi gi support togiba coordination important togiba district administration aduga department of art and culture hairu program asi jointly organized togani kaino da makoi gi support jaw lagadi makoi gi guidance jaw lagadi program ji hen mapung abang amoi dabdina moi gi mateng ekoi lojabani. The whole activities is organized in coordinated efforts of Nehru Yuva Kendra Sangathan, Ministry of Youth Affairs, Government of India Bijapur unit, and also with the support and guidance of district administration as well as Department of Art and Culture, Government of Manipur. And with these few words, I hope let's make a strong nation, let every citizen in the country be healthy, strong person. The concept is very simple. If strong men, healthy people, country will be healthy, country will be strong. It is a very simple concept because life starts with a very simple thing, which we keep on neglecting. We are thinking something very big, which is that creates a lot of confusion, a lot of problem in life. So that's a small thing you have to start. So simple thing is that to make our country strong is make every citizen 130 crore population are become healthy. Masa loim phaleragadi loim country is strong nation oilo sickly body diseases country will never become a developed or progress country. This is a very simple concept. Let's start. Everyone should think about your own health. Your health is okay. Good thinking masa luxury. Good thinking already. Good impact society lani. That means everything will be put in the whole society. It's a very simple concept. With this, thank you everyone.
To do a plog run.
To do a plog run
for 2 kilometers.
For 2 kilometers
in my surrounding areas.
In my surrounding areas.
And pay tribute to the.
And pay tribute to the.
Father of nation.
Father of nation.
On 2nd October.
2nd October.
It's my responsibility.
It's my responsibility
to keep my surroundings.
To keep my surroundings
clean. As it helps us in getting fresh. Will help us to live a healthy life. Thank you. Salam Singh, Deputy Director. Respected friends from media, from state as national level. Khuramjari and very good morning to one and all. To celebrate not only the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, but also a very important occasion, Fit India Freedom Run. First, we have to understand about the importance of place today where we are present. It's Aine Moirang. It has a great importance, not only up to our state level, but also at national level. It was the first place when tricolor was hoisted by our Indian National Army. We always pay our tribute, and all the dignitaries, great leaders, whoever is visited to our this Manipur, they always comes and pay their tribute to our national heroes. Let's talk about the Fit India Freedom Run. It was started last year in the wake of COVID-19. When we were not allowed to go outside, the situation was quite worse. At that moment, this movement was started by our Honorable Prime Minister, Sri Narendra Modi ji, and as well our Honorable Chief Minister, Sri N. Biren Singh. Why this movement was started? We have to understand. Because we all know that the importance of our youths in the nation building process. Our youth has to understand about their potential, about their importance in the nation building process. The legacy is continued and started by our forefathers, our freedom fighters, has to be continued. But who will be the flag bearer of the legacy? Only you. Our youths will be the flag bearers. The platform and background has been set up by our forefathers, has to be moved forward. We have to think about that also. This Fit India Freedom Run was started in the wake of COVID-19 with the clear message, anywhere and anytime. It means the place which suits you, the time which suits you. It means it is not necessary to go for outing, but at our home we can also do some physical activities and keep it us fit, not only physically but also mentally. Because when both the kind of fitness, physical as well mental, club together, only then we will be able to achieve something in our life. Though we are here for this small marathon, but we should also understand COVID, the pandemic which is still going on. We know now what is the importance of COVID appropriate behavior, social distancing, because now it has become normal in our life. But we should not be kind of negligent person. We have to understand about the wearing of face mask, maintaining social distancing, everything. We should also come forward for vaccination, not for us, but also for our family, our community, and our society. Because we youth have a great importance in the development of our society. So only we can come forward and motivate, encourage, not to our only brothers and sisters, but also to our family members, our society. We can help us to facilitate them so that they can come forward. And in our district, now vaccination is being done not only at the CSC, PSC level, but also we are sending some mobile team. We have to understand the importance of vaccination. Why importance is being given to the youths? Suppose from the central government as well as state level, many program is being implemented. For women empowerment, Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao scheme is there. But what is our role in this program? awareness is being generated. But how it can be made fruitful for our society? We have to come forward. We should understand the importance of the program for the welfare of farmers. Kisan credit is being distributed so that they can get some financial help. But still, lack of awareness, many farmers are not able to reach up to the banks and get the benefit of the scheme. Today, in the age of technology, information and technology, we can get all the information on our fingertip. Through one finger, we can get all the information in our smartphone. We can make aware our people, those who are really eligible for the particular scheme. This has to be carried out only by our young boys and girls, because they are well aware about this information and technology. To help the needy peoples under Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Ann Yojana, rice is being distributed. Those who are affected due to COVID-19. But our youths are the ones who can help them to the really needy peoples, those who can get the benefit of the scheme. I would just mention about our national hero, Swami Vivekananda ji. Can you imagine about the days 1893 when the World Religion Conference was held at Chicago in 1893. Physically fit but also mentally fit. We are all knows that healthy mind embedded in healthy body. In your life, sometimes you may not have a mentor. Your journey may be a challenging, but the success and failures, ups and downs will always be toughen you up. So we have to train our mind and we have to be our own hero. With the Fit India Freedom Run and also the important campaign Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, which is being celebrated all over India, it also gives the message of Atmanirbhar Bharat, self-reliant India, which can be made successful only through the Jan Bhagidari, public participation. And in public participation, the importance of our youth is a very, very important. It's a great time to think about our future and to come forward and be the leader of our society. With these words, I would send my hearty thanks and best wishes to all the youths, those who are present here and also not present here, because our media personnel are there, they will convey our message. So it's my sincere and humble request to all the youths of the state, please try to understand about your role in the society, in the country. Thank you very much.
नहीं Thank you.